Welcome to the channel where reality feels like a movie. Here, we bring you the most unbelievable police chases, shocking escapes, and jaw-dropping moments caught on camera. On February 2nd, 2023, the morning drive on Interstate 40 turned into chaos. Arkansas State Trooper Monty Hernandez was stationed near mile marker 216 when reports came in about a speeding red SUV. The vehicle was tearing down the highway at reckless speeds, swerving between lanes as if traffic laws didn't apply. The moment Hernandez lit up his sirens, the driver was already cutting a hazardous trail through cars and gave no indication of slowing down. When it was all over, the suspect, later identified as Diego Caldero, was no longer behind the wheel, but handcuffed in the back of a squad car. In addition to facing state charges, federal authorities flagged him as a deported felon with an active warrant. This pursuit served as a stark reminder of one thing: no matter how fast you believe you can run, the law has a way of catching up. On June 11, 2025, in Fort Smith, Arkansas, the night patrol took a dangerous turn. Around 10:32 p.m., Trooper First Class Tyler Nelson was heading north on Midland Boulevard near K. Rogers Park when he noticed a black Chevrolet Trax with Arkansas tags BAX31D. A quick record search showed the registration was suspended and the insurance unverified. Nelson initiated a standard stop, but the driver wasn't interested in cooperating. Instead, the vehicle cut onto North 50th Street, switched off its headlights and taillights, and tore off at nearly 100 miles per hour, ignoring all commands and traffic rules.
Midland and 50th, boy Adam X-ray, 31B, BAX, 31B, it's a blank shooting track.
Don't forget to like the video to give me strength. It really helps me keep going.
He's blacked out.
Flying through the city in pitch-black darkness, the suspect darted between lanes, blasted through stop signs, and even veered head-on into opposing traffic. Every block escalated the danger as the chase grew more volatile, the driver pushing harder with zero concern for anyone on the road.
Still blacked out. Coming up to Johnson. Clear left to right. He wrecked out Kelly and 50th. You okay? Hands up! Hands up! Get your ass on the ground right now! Get your ass on the ground! Yes, sir! Right now! Yes, sir! Hands behind your back! Yes, sir! Stay right there! Yes, sir! Stay right there! Don't you move! Yes.
As the chase neared Kelly Highway and 50th Street, the driver blew through the crossing and smashed into two separate vehicles, a Subaru Impreza traveling eastbound and a Honda Civic sitting at a red light. The Chevy was totaled on impact, giving Trooper Nelson the chance to move in with weapon drawn and order the suspect out. Identified as Austin Osman, he was taken into custody without further struggle. A search uncovered a loaded .380 Taurus handgun, 2 blue fentanyl pills marked M33, over $1,200 in cash, and under the seat, a loaded 9mm Taurus pistol. Officers also found a lockbox filled with baggies of suspected marijuana and a THC vape pen. His passenger, Stephanie Pavey, was transported to Mercy Hospital and later released. The Honda contained 3 people, including a young child, but none required hospitalization. 2 Subaru occupants were treated at the scene and cleared. Osmond himself was evaluated at Baptist Hospital before being booked into the Sebastian County Jail. He now faces a long list of charges, including felony fleeing with injury, simultaneous possession of drugs and firearms, endangering the welfare of a minor, felony criminal mischief, multiple narcotics charges, reckless driving, and failure to yield. This late-night pursuit in Fort Smith could easily have turned deadly, but thanks to swift police intervention, no bystanders were seriously harmed, and Osmond is facing a mountain of felony and misdemeanor charges, including possession of fentanyl, firearms, and endangering a minor. This suspect wasn't looking to avoid the police. He wanted them to chase him. His reckless stunt wasn't only dangerous for himself, but it also put innocent lives at risk. He was endangering everyone around him. Officers believed the chase had ended, stepping out as if it were over. But the Mustang had other plans, blowing through a red light and surging ahead. That was just the beginning of a string of maneuvers that were reckless, lawless, and dangerously out of control. Even when police managed to close the distance, the driver wasn't ready to quit. Instead, he toyed with the officers, dragging out the chase and pushing the limits further. He wants to see just how far he can push it. Once the driver hit the highway, things escalated fast. This time, he was really trying to get away. But provoking law enforcement like this carries heavy penalties. In Florida, fleeing and endangering lives can lead to up to 15 years behind bars. And that's if no one gets hurt.